It's Shugile time on today's episode. Memorial service kusiphithiphithi wonke umuntu uyakhala kwiwale uSonto is back now and uthi yena akana indawo yokulala uthi yena akafuna ukuba iphara njani sekafuna imali icela ubukele hotela nje kusiphithiphithi. But then it looks like unkosikazi kaSakhile, she's not having it ukuthi lalela. First it was ama DNA test, he wanted DNA test before time. Now uthi no lo akusumntwana esponge, then they go check the file ukuthi umntwana wangempela. That hit hard and it hit home. And then now unfortunately angeke akhona ukumkwatela because this happened after, in fact before baqala ukujola, so you can't exactly get angry over that. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani abusheni molweni minjani hivukile hingogwina so namuhla kana ngoba hina wa Smoke and Mirrors. Yay! Shil asitsemisa kanga usobhuzo akasayibamba ifone, uSiza is panicking and then now he's giving it away. Nano mama seyokhuluma phambili kuvele kwaba nje kwaya astray. Yawa lembe uMr Maya wangena ngeculo ketana angena neculo noMatha uMr Siza almost fell off his chair with the anger and ungathi angamudla ngamazinyo khana abona ukuthi hayi lalelani ngidlaliwe kwangempela. And then now Mr Mayor just passed next to him athi lalela iwile lembewu yo hayi nkosiyami drama po. And now the problem is he has already signed the papers. Ngantshela nina ngathi that was an act. Now we get to see that it actually was an act. Now the depot has gone to Mr Mayor. Kushuthi uSiza does not have anything. And then at the end I then realize ukuthi uThandiswa walks in at her own memorial service and say Siza. Yo guys, drama endilindele, drama ekhoyo. And I'm just wondering ukuthi what is happening. Uma mfundisi decided ukuthi anikeze uTeam imali, aboleke uTeam imali, uTeam ongakwazi ukubhadala ikoloto, at the end of the day uTeam nomngane wakhe bahambile bayophuza le mali, the fact that is not gonna come back and this is gonna end on mfundisi's desk, angifuni ukwazi.